Hello again. I'm here to show you the new development and the new system of SWITEK. Now what you're looking at is a new amazing solution for food packaging, which is a rather complex system which includes the packing, for the packing of the packages. For carbs, for dairy products, you can use it for ice cream, yogurt, and something like this. Anyway, it is for food packing. You can see here is the stacking unit. This system can be connected to the IML system from injection to packing and to carton loading. It's a new design system for the largest dairy product producer, Elite Group. And I hope this video will give you some ideas about how to automate your production of food packages. Find a solution of IML and other automation solutions. Just contact SWITEK. For sure, we will provide some good idea to you. Remember this brand? It's SWITEK.